Hey everyone, and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. So today I have something very cool and useful to share with you, especially if you want to make graphics or posts or posters or thumbnails, anything creative. We are going to talk about three best free AI tools for graphic design. And the good thing is these are totally free to use and you can use them even if you don't have any design skill or experience. So just listen carefully and I will explain each tool one by one in very simple way so you understand how they can help you. So now let me first explain what these AI tools are. These are website or app where you can make design easily with the help of artificial intelligence. That means you just type what you want, like a soldier that's riding on a lion and this kind of detail, and you will get the result and the AI will make it for you within few seconds. Or you can make a business logo, you can design a YouTube thumbnail with the help of AI, and it is very fast and very smart, and you don't have to know Photoshop or any hard software. So I am going to share with you three best AI tool for that, and I am going to start with the last one or the third one, and which is the Canva AI. Now many of you maybe already know Canva, but Canva now has a smart AI feature that can help you to make design even faster. You can just tell Canva what you want and it will make you option and even generate photos using text. It also has a tool called Magic Design, which helps you to create full design ideas automatically. You can try different templates and change color and you can make it your own. Canva is free for basic use and it works on mobile and computer both, so it is very easy. Now, the second tool is called Microsoft Designer. It is also a free design tool from Microsoft and it is powered by AI. You can write a few words about what you want to design. You can write what you want and it will create amazing ideas for you in just few seconds. It looks very modern and you can control this by using these what you want, what will be the sizes, so you can control this thing in Microsoft Designer. So before you download, you can edit, you can resize, and you can do all of this thing in the Designer, I mean Microsoft Designer tool, and you can use it online without installing anything, and it works really well for posters, social media, and other things. Now finally we are moving to the first one, and this is the Kittle. It is also free to start and it has a lot of ready-made templates and smart design help. It is great for making t-shirt designs, retro style posters, and even logo. You can type ideas and Kittle will help you to make it look professional. It has both free and paid feature, but for most small thing, the free plan is good enough. So these are the three best free AI design tools you can try now. And I know that maybe in future more tools will come, but right now these are really works well. So if you want to try, I will put the links in the description so you can go and use them. Thanks a lot for watching Easy Access Tech till the end of this video, and I will see you in the next video.